previous lecture, we explored the importance of communication skills in a job interview. Today, we'll be delving deeper into verbal communication and provide practical strategies for effectively conveying your message and making a lasting impression on the interviewer. Effective verbal communication strategies. The power of storytelling. Don't just list facts. Instead of simply stating your skills and accomplishments, weave them into compelling stories. Engage the interviewer. Stories are more memorable and engaging than the dry facts. Highlight your impact. Use stories to illustrate how you have made a difference in previous roles. Structure your story. Use the STAR method, that is situation, task, action, and result, to clearly convey the context, your actions, and the positive outcomes you have achieved. We'll talk about this in more detail in the upcoming lecture. Tailor your language. Match the company culture. Research the company's values and communication style and adapt your language accordingly. Avoid jargon. Unless it's relevant to the specific role, avoid using overly technical terms or industry jargon. Use positive language. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments using positive and action-oriented words. Mirror the interviewer. Subtly mirroring the interviewer's language and communication style, it can help you build rapport. Practice active listening. Pay attention, focus on what the interviewer is saying, both verbally and non-verbally. Ask clarifying questions. If you're unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Summarize and reflect. Restate or summarize the interviewer's questions or comments to ensure you understand them correctly. Avoid interrupting. Let the interviewer finish their thought before you respond. Ask thoughtful questions. Research-based questions. Ask questions that demonstrate your knowledge of the company and the industry. Open-ended questions. Avoid simple yes or no questions. Ask questions that ensure conversation and deeper discussion. Questions about the role. Ask about the specific responsibilities, challenges, and opportunities associated with the position. Questions about the company's culture. Inquire about the company's culture, values, and work environment, and the opportunities for growth. Conclude with a strong close. Express gratitude. Thank the interviewer for their time and consideration. Reiterate your interest. Briefly restate your enthusiasm for the position and why you believe you're a good fit. Ask about the next steps. Inquire about the timeline for the hiring process and when you can expect to hear back. Key takeaways. Effective communication in a job interview involves storytelling, tailoring your language, active listening, asking thoughtful questions, and concluding with a strong close. By mastering these skills, you can create a positive impression, build rapport with the interviewer, and increase your chances of landing the job. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Be an active participant in the conversation and show genuine interest in the opportunity.